It's the start of a new month, guys. The fourth month of 2022. Geez, man, where is the time going, huh?
Welcome to
Um,
April.
yep, yep. So going back, I mean, the market's been moving these past 3 months. It is now the Q2, second quarter. Lots of exciting things to look out for. We're going to be doing our weekly watch list for you guys where we go over potential opportunities and trades that we see coming up. And with that being said, let me jump in. As far as the Forex market, I mean, I haven't really had any um, markets that I'm really looking at. I think I'm still in an odd USD position from maybe 2 weeks ago. Right now, I was going long, but it's been in the small range here. So I just got a position, but it's in a small range, but it isn't closing any lower. So with that being said, my stop is still there. It does not move until the market moves. So if it goes against me, then I'll still lock in a small profit. But that is one of my, I think that's my only Forex positions. Let's look at the futures market. Natural gas has been making new highs. You can see it made a new high, came down, and it peaked up again, real tricky, and then it dropped back down. But now we have some steady momentum rather than just like that peak up momentum. I've entered long since last week, so this market's doing kind of nice. Let's look at the S&P. S&P had a down past 3 days. We hit, we closed at 46.21. We dipped at about 100 points, a little over 100 points last week. So this could look like just a deep pullback. We'll see how this one plays out because if you know, look at the candle here. We got a long wick, and then price could not close significantly lower on the daily side. So I'll be watching out for a position there. Same for the other indices like the Nasdaq, where we got Nasdaq. Nothing too significant. We'll just be waiting for a place to get in. Commodities, I mean, oil, guys, I mean, I haven't really heard much about it. I think we're tapping into our reserves as a country, so it's helping drive the price down, but we shall see how that affects the market. Bitcoin hovering on the future side, hovering at 46,240. We are staying above the previous range of 44,000, which is a good sign. So if the bulls can continue the momentum with keeping the bullish bullish run, then we'll be good. Other than that, man, it's pretty short list for myself. All dollar. I'm looking at of course, I'm looking at the indices, natural gas. Um, Other than that, let's look at some. I think I'm in a few stocks. Like some stocks. I think Visa. I'm in some Visa shares. That has a nice run the past few weeks, and then DWAC that has been it hasn't been good. It's been going sideways for the past few weeks, but you know we'll see how it goes, man. It's respecting this level of like $60. We'll see how that goes. I'll just pass it on to you, bro.
Right on. Yeah, short and sweet this week. For me, I'm kind of the same way. Bitcoin, yes, making some nice highs, recent highs, breaking out of a descending channel. I like it. As hopefully we can sustain that bull run. Moving on to Forex, I am also liking Australian dollar USD. I am looking for long positions. It needs to break above 75362 though. We'll see how it plays out. I'm looking for an hour, um, a new high on the hour. Moving to Euro Pound, I am looking for short positions here. Nice bearish close on the daily. I want to like just show brighten up the daily right here. Daily pulled back down into a strong bearish engulfing after 3 days of bull runs, but it could just be a pullback only to go higher It did create a higher high of the last two since February and March. So the last 2 months, it broke its most recent high. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. But right now, I'm looking for bear momentum here, followed by Euro USD. I like Euro USD. Very similar play, how it's created new highs. You can see on the 4 hour, it's creating this ascending channel. But the reason why I like this and I'm looking for a short is because this is during the war, the Ukraine-Russian war, similar to pound USD. Glenn and I went over that last week. But this area here, this bear run followed by an ascending channel, to me is a continuation bear run. So we'll see how that plays out. I like the bearish engulfing here and the overall bearish trend. Other than that, that's really all I have. It's short and simple as well. No dollar pairs, major Kiwi CAD, Kiwi USD, not really looking for anything. And neither am I for pound as well. Pound is just, pound odd would be nice short. It looks like it's in a nice bear trend, but I'm not really looking at this one either. Neither am I looking for any movement on the yen pairs. But yeah, so odd USD, Euro pound, and Euro USD are what I'm looking at. As far as stocks goes, I do like Apple and Tesla. They just did a pullback at the end of the week. We'll see if they can break their all-time highs. Tesla has to break 1240, but if you don't know, Tesla announced a stock split, and that's why we see this major jump here. Boo, also, you'll see a nice breakout bull run, and we'll see for the continuation. Very similar to the S&P 500 SPY. It's just the Vanguard. It's basically Vanguard's S&P, just different brokerage. But other than that, that's all I have. Really short and simple. Nothing really in the stock world. Nothing really, just continued plays. Nothing in the crypto world. Just hopefully that crypto continues on as far as Bitcoin goes, and then just 3 pairs on foreign exchange. So
Awesome.
that's all I got, man.
Friendly reminder on the Forex.com economic calendar, Wednesday, FOMC meeting, I believe, looks like
Yep.
8 a.m.
That is the highest volatility right there. So that's probably the only one that I would recommend being aware. The yellow are like a medium to high, but not necessarily extremely high. So it does look like it's a lot of announcements, but it's really not. It's just that FOMC we'll keep an eye on.
Yeah.
This Tuesday, though, Glenn, what are we talking about? It's gonna be
Trading
your show on this one.
We're gonna be shifting gears, and we'll be diving into the Thinkorswim platform. I love Thinkorswim. I've been using it for years, and we'll just do a quick dive into it, getting your Thinkorswim account set up, and then showing you guys how to navigate it, set it up for your workspace, because yeah, I mean, it's such a great platform. I use it all the time, and that's what you see when I share my screen when we go over these watch lists. So stay tuned. Hope to see you guys there, 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time, Trading Topic Tuesdays.
Glenn, how long have you been using that platform?
Since 2016, I believe.
Pretty much Glenn's trading career. Yeah, essentially is give or take.
Ever since. Yeah, it's been there, man. Solid platform, man.
Right on, man. Right on. Yeah, looking forward to learning. I'm going to be learning a lot in that one. So stay tuned. Tuesday, 7 p.m.
Yeah, we'll see you guys. On that note, guys, have a great rest of your Sunday. Kick butt. Tomorrow's Monday, man. Everyone should be happy because it's trading day. So,
let's get it.